Gusto mo na bang makapag-ipon at makapag-invest ng hindi masyadong nasa-stress? I have 3 tips for you. Just keep on watching because this is your beginner's guide to saving and investing, Lou Sanchez edition. These are the tips that I've learned along the way na madali lang i-follow for beginners who want to start taking their financial matters seriously. And these are the tips that I would have given myself nung nagsa-start pa lang ako mag-save and mag-invest. Number 1, mahilig ka bang maglinis o maglaba? I have a video for you.
Si Asyong Asenso, vintage man ang damit, G na G pa rin. Nax, may butal sa bulsa.
G-invest na to?
Yan. Kasi isang ID lang, makakapag-invest ka na sa trusted local at global companies for as low as 50 pesos. Kaya ang investment mo, pwedeng maging negosyo over time. G, invest na!
From the video, we have Asyong Asenso who found 50 pesos sa pocket ng jeans niya while doing their laundry. He invested it on G-Invest and later on used his earnings to build his own business. If you're wondering or if you're interested about G-Invest, I did a separate video about it. How it works, how to start investing, what type of funds you can find in there. Link up here. Anyway, there are times na kapag naglalaba tayo or naglilinis tayo, may nakikita tayong random coins or bills kung sinuswerte ka and you might be tempted to spend it, but I suggest you collect it and invest it on G-Invest. Because with a minimum of 50 pesos, makakapag-avail ka na ng local funds and 1,000 pesos for international funds. And isang valid ID lang ang kailangan mo to start. So here's my challenge for you today. For 1 minute, yes, 1 minute lang. Scour your home for random coins and bills na nakakalat, collect it, and invest it on G-Invest. Syempre, hindi ako magpapatalo sa challenge na to, so I did the same sa room ko. Okay guys, so I just read about this challenge and we're gonna do it instead of my room kasi feeling ko kulang yung 1 minute. I thought, dito na lang sa mga bags ko kasi ako yung tipo ng tao na palagi naglalagay ng coins or nagiiwan ng coins sa bag nila. Sabi kasi swerte daw yun. So we will see kung swerte ba tayo for today. So we have all of my bags right here na ginamit ko for the past 6 months. Ito yung mga malalaki. We have here yung mga maliliit. We have the 1 minute timer right here. And we are starting with this because ito yung ginagamit kong tote right now. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I can see like 5 pesos. Yun lang? 5 lang? Oh my gosh. Oh, next. Oh, another 5. No more. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, guys. Natitense ako. Oh my gosh. No more. Puro coins. Like, literal na puro coins lang yung nakikita ko. Usually, nandito yung sa mga maliliit. Bakit? Oh my gosh. We have another coin. No more. This one, I don't think na may laman siya kasi ginamit ko lang siya for a shoot. So, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit o buy. Hindi ko na alam sinasabi ko. We have coins. We have 25 cents. We have coins! Actually, nung kinukuha ko sila, ang dami ko naririnig ng mga coins. So, sabi ko, oh my gosh, siniswerte. Ata ako today, 50 pesos. Oh my gosh. 50. 4 seconds. Oh my God! we have here, meron tayong gamot, sis. Wait, tapos na yung timer ko, but I'm still gonna go through. Meron pa dito. May nahanap akong piso. We'll still go through the rest of my bags kasi 3 na lang naman sila. Dust bag. Oh my God! Oh my God, we have 500. Oh my God, we have 500 pesos. How? We have receipts, lipsticks, receipts, Starbucks. Oh my God! You guys, I'm telling you, sobrang swerte ako today. We have 1,000 pesos. What? So, ito. Coins. That's it. Okay, bilangin na natin. Guys, oh my God, naka 1,500 tayo. So, maliban sa local funds, makakapag-invest din tayo sa international funds. So, we have 1,597 pesos. Immediately, i-cash in nyo na agad sa GCash account nyo, invest it on G-Invest, and meron ka na agad investment. Let me know if you did the challenge and kung magkano yung nakuha mo. Number 2, mahilig ka bang mag-online shopping? And did you know that you can actually save on online shopping if you'd make an add to cart list? You can write this down on a random piece of paper or kahit saan scratch paper, but I have my planner here and meron akong add to cart list. You just have to write down the item, yung budget mo for that item, and kung kailan yung checkout date mo. Preferably, kapag sale, doon kayo mag-checkout for more savings. This way, you can actually control your spending and meron ka pang time to decide, to think about your purchase. Kasi diba, most of the time, very impulsive lang yung purchase natin online. So this way, makapag-decide ka talaga kung kailangan mo ba yung item na yun. And something that I personally do every month, nagsiset aside ako ng separate budget for my online shopping. Number 3, masyado ka na bang maraming gamit at wala ka ng space? I-declutter mo na yan, or much better, ibenta mo na yan. I highly recommend this if you're someone like me who buys a lot of things na hindi naman nasusulit yung purchase. As a part of my work, I have to buy a lot of clothes, a lot of bags, a lot of shoes, and hindi ko na nasusulit yung purchase ko. Hindi ko na sila nagagamit to the fullest. So if there are sellable things in your house, you can sell it online. And this is a very personal fact, but I have to share this with you para ma-motivate kayo. The last time that I did an online live selling, I actually earned around 8,000 pesos. 8,000 pesos is actually a big amount na for your savings and for your investments. So that concludes my 3 tips. Thank you so much for watching this video. And again, this is your beginner's guide to saving and investing, Lou Sanchez edition.